In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to adjust proof, pop-up timing, and frequency to optimize your site's user experience and conversion rate. Whether you're new to proof or looking to fine-tune your settings, by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make your pop-ups work for you. Before we dive in, just a quick note, you can use Proof for free by clicking the link in the description below, where you'll also get some exclusive bonuses, so stick around for that. Let's start by understanding what timing and frequency actually mean in the context of Proof pop-ups. Timing refers to when your pop-up will appear on the user's screen, whether it shows immediately, after a delay, or when a certain action triggers it. Frequency is about how often the same user will see the pop-up. Both of these factors can significantly impact your conversion rate, so getting them right is essential. To adjust the timing, head over to the settings of your Proof account. You'll see an option to set a delay for when the pop-up should appear. A common strategy is to make it appear after a few seconds or once the user starts scrolling. The goal here is to give users some time to engage with your content before the pop-up distracts them. But here's a pro tip. Don't set the pop-up to show up too quickly. A pop-up that appears immediately can annoy users and lead to higher bounce rates. Instead, aim for a balance. Enough time for the user to be engaged, but not enough time for them to leave. Generally, a delay of 3 to 5 seconds is a good starting point. Next, let's talk about frequency. You don't want to bombard the same user with the same pop-up every time they visit your site. That's where frequency capping comes in. With Proof, you can limit how often the same user will see the pop-up. I recommend setting it to show up once per session or for repeat visitors after a few days. This helps to keep your site experience smooth without overwhelming your audience. If you want to go a step further, you can segment your audience. For example, if a user has seen your pop-up and didn't convert, you can set the frequency to show them a different pop-up or reduce the frequency of the same one. This allows you to test different messages and offers, which can ultimately improve your conversion rates. Another thing to keep in mind is the exit intent feature. This is a great tool to show a pop-up when a user is about to leave the site. This can be a perfect moment to offer a last-minute discount or collect feedback from the user. Adjusting the timing on exit intent pop-ups is key though. You don't want it to show too soon when the user is just browsing, but you also don't want to miss the opportunity to convert them as they leave. At the end of the day, the right pop-up timing and frequency can make a huge difference in your site's performance. If you get the balance right, you'll see improvements in engagement, leads, and sales. Remember, you can get started with Proof completely free and unlock exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. You'll also get an extended trial, so don't miss out on this great opportunity to test the software with no risk involved. That's it for today's quick guide. Make sure to adjust your Proof pop-up timing and frequency for optimal results. And if you want to dive deeper, check out the link below for a free trial.